Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. So you're Helena Zhang,
Yes.
right? I pronounce it cool?
Yes.
Okay, so tell us about yourself. So I think you're pretty gifted young woman. You do paintings. You went in Stanford, and tell me about yourself.
Yeah. I'm originally from Toronto, and I went to Stanford for undergrad, and there I did a lot of neuroscience studying. And through neuroscience, I found my way to neural networks and then to AI. And since graduating, I've been working with Zach. We've been working with different customers and automating workflows. But for the customers, we do a lot of ad hoc prompting just because the current LM frameworks are so bloated and the abstractions are so difficult to understand. So over the holiday, we were like, what if we wrote our own framework that's super minimal, modular, flexible, and can express some kind of creativity? So we got working and we realized that current LM frameworks are being built for humans. And what we wanted to do was build a framework that would be really easy for LLMs to use. So now for the people we work with, we actually get the LLM to write on top of our framework, which we have open source, and it's called Pocketflow.
Yeah, Pocketflow. It's on GitHub. It's open source. You gotta start this project.
Yes. And we have our LLMs writing on top of this framework. We also are launching a text-to-agent platform. It looks like you just type in anything you want.
So it's gonna be like a kind of web app. So you can access this web app, and you're gonna like prompt or text to have your automation and agent workflow.
Yes.
That's gonna be built by your system.
Yes.
Some kind of stuff. Like an bolt.new or other kind of platform that you can.
So on Bolt.on, you would be like, I want to build a landing page for my dog food startup. On here, you would be like, I want to automate the workflow of email labeling or of marketing on Twitter or marketing on Reddit. And you just type it in, and then our LM works on the background on top of our Pocketflow framework, and the output you get is like an automated workflow.
That's really
cool. To your
That's really cool. And you told me that you even what was really interesting when we talked together just prior to this small video short. You told me that you even you did synthetic data
yes.
to kind of create code that will be then ingested to fine tune Gemini model to be able to do that kind of stuff afterwards on your platform, right?
And additional models too.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, because different like Claude
Yeah.
as well, Anthropic, because different models are better for different kind of task, right? Okay. And now what stage are you at your company? So I understand that you're two of you?
Yeah.
Like you and Zach, the co-founder?
Exactly.
Okay. And you're early stage, right?
Yes, we're early stage. Hopefully we'll boot very fast. I mean, I would love to talk more about Zach. He is just a talented distributed systems engineer, and can think through really complex problems and simplify them, which is why like our framework we've been able to do in 100 lines.
Yeah, I saw that on GitHub. It's like crazy, super small framework.
Yeah.
And I love it because I really don't like frameworks that are cluttered with tons of different things that we don't even know what they're serving.
They're so bloated. And it's like, I mean, Zach just believes in simplicity. I think like LLMs also really appreciate simplicity. So
Yeah.
it's a perfect framework for LLMs.
That's it. So what's your plans for the next 3 to 4 months?
Yeah, we're gonna do a bigger launch, get more customers, and
So you get feedback from the customers,
That-
and it helps you like improve your iterate.
and then so that's for the plug and play. And then for enterprises, we always love working with enterprises because we get to learn a lot about the industry they're in, and that looks more like arm and leg work on our hands, but it's just cool to get in and integrate with their systems. And also we just want to push out educational content about how to create these agents.
Tutorial, how to demo, and all that kind of stuff. Examples, so that because you told me that you want to do like a kind of very plug and play and help yourself kind of platform.
Yes.
With less support and just like easier access to test to people, to customers, to clients.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's definitely things to figure out. Like, one, we want to actually empower business users to be able to just like automate any workflow they want without needing to look at the code.
Yeah. So you target like maybe HR, marketing people into companies, operations like finance, accounting, and those kind of stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
And then another big thing is like AI currently is unreliable. Like AI pipelines break all the time. API changes. So one thing we're really gunning towards is making sure we can do durable execution that's AI native. That's why we look up to companies like Temporal, and like we think that there's a great parallel between orchestrating microservices.
Temporal, they do their what do they do?
They orchestrate microservices across networks.
Okay.
And we think that like there could be a lot done with orchestrating agents as well. We're like terming this space that we're trying to create as compound human AI systems. And we just want to see like what this collaboration between human and AI could look like in the durable execution sense, like retries, searching outputs, and just making sure that the pipeline doesn't break. Or if it does break, like we need to make sure there's statefulness.
I get it. Well, thank you very much, Helena. It was really nice meeting you. The project is really, really cool. I like it a lot. I wish you a lot of good things within the next month.
Very much.